guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Ashley Irizarry Diaz. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite Thai recipes, and it's called Pat Krapao Kai, which means Thai basil chicken stir fry. I love making Thai recipes that are easy and quick to prepare, so I can just grab ingredients and cook a delicious meal. Okay, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, the first ingredient is going to be fresh garlic. I have about 10 to 15 garlic cloves here. Next is your fresh chili. You can use anywhere from 2 to 5, 10 chilies depending on how spicy you like it. In this recipe, I used about 5 chilies. Next, we're going to give the chilies and garlic a coarse chop in your mortar and pestle. Next, you're going to need 1 full onion chopped into thin slices. Here, I used 1 can of bamboo shoot. I'm curious to see if any of you guys have cooked with bamboo before, so please leave a comment below if you guys have tried bamboo before. And next is the most important ingredient, that is the fresh basil for this Thai stir-fry basil dish. Moving on to the Thai seasoning sauce, you're only going to need 3 different sauces. The first sauce is a Golden Mountain seasoning sauce, which is just another version of a soy sauce, but it has a little bit of a different flavor. The second sauce is a sweet black soy sauce, and the third is oyster sauce. I used equal parts, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of each. Then last, to balance out the salty flavors of the Thai seasoning sauce, you're going to need sugar or sweetener of your choice. Okay, next we're going to prepare the chicken. For this recipe, you can use ground chicken. I like to cut my chicken instead of buying it ground already because I like a little bit of a thicker, chunkier texture instead of the ground texture that comes from the grocery store. So what you're going to do first is lay out 1 piece of chicken breast and turn your knife over to the side and pound the chicken down so that it becomes flattened. Then you're going to go ahead and turn the knife over and start slicing the chicken in a chopping motion all through the chicken in different directions so that it gives it a coarse chop. You'll be able to see that the chicken is starting to break apart into little pieces. This ended up being the perfect size ground chicken. Next, get out your wok or frying pan. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Then right after that, throw in your garlic and chili that you crushed earlier. You do not need to let the oil get hot because the garlic can burn quickly. So go ahead and throw in the garlic and chili right after you put the oil in and let that simmer. Once the garlic and chilies begin to infuse into the oil, mix it around and be careful to not let the garlic burn. Once you see a golden color start to come about, then you will throw in your meat. Okay, so here I'm going to throw in the chicken that we chopped earlier. Once your chicken is almost fully cooked, go ahead and throw in the 3 Thai seasoning sauces all over the chicken and give that a stir so the sauce can get evenly coated in all of the chicken. Now your chicken is pretty much fully cooked. Throw in the raw onions. After the onions, go ahead and throw in the bamboo shoots. Mix everything evenly again and then go ahead and let this sit on low to medium heat and put the cover on and let all of the flavors come together. Okay, and the last ingredient is the most important ingredient for this dish is the basil. The reason we're putting the basil in at the end of the recipe is because the basil does get wilted and cooked really quickly, so we don't really want to cook the basil because it'll lose kind of its aroma and fragrance and taste. So if we put it in at the end of the recipe, then you're gonna get those flavors to lock in really well. And there you go. Once you throw in the basil, give it one more stir and it's ready to serve. Of course, this is a Thai meal, so you need to serve it with rice. So as you can see here, I'm going into my favorite rice cooker. It's a Japanese rice cooker. I'm not sure where we got it, but I will put in a link below if you want to check this rice cooker out. It honestly cooks like the most perfect rice every single time. And then we're going to enjoy this Pat Krapao Thai basil chicken dish. I hope you guys enjoyed this Thai basil chicken recipe. Again, it's called Pat Krapao Kai if you go to a Thai restaurant. Again, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I can make more recipes and videos like this. Thanks again for watching. I'm Ashley Irizarry Diaz, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!